Hello guys, how are you doing today? Sorry if in this video I'm shirtless, but with how hot it was, I really couldn't keep my shirt on. This is the first part of my series, which is meant to help me grow and document my journey of becoming a game developer. In this video I talked about my first game idea, the Scratch version of my game, and I also created a game design document and a low fidelity prototype of the game to stay organized and see if the idea of the game is somewhat fun. As the last step, I created a repository for the game so that all my progress is saved on the cloud and I can keep track of every change. The first step I put, make videos about your progress. Of course, I'm doing this right now. Then we have different videos that I've watched about making the game, and I've put them from in order of which I think they will be useful. So the first thing is get your idea. Here I wrote it has to fit on a sticky note. I already did it because I forgot to start the video. And I wrote a player moves to dodge evil things. If he touches them, he dies. There could be different themes like space, aquatic, post-apocalyptic, etc. And I don't have anything else because I just want a little simple game to try. About that, in another video we have start with Scratch, the game engine. To see if you have the programming logic, just start with Scratch, and that's what I did here. I have exactly the game I want to make, but with Scratch, where I can press this button and it starts with the main screen with some music that you can stop every time you want, anytime you want. And there's two difficulties. Easy, where you are this little thing, oh shit, this pufferfish, sorry, that has to get around and don't die from the sharks. It's very easy. This I died. You have your score that also appears on the top left, and then it says you dead. And you have your little thingy. The hard difficulty is very difficult, exactly. They come from every angle and it's very difficult. I made it this way. I don't know why I made it so difficult, but I just wanted to make it the most difficult I could. Oh shit. But it's very fun. You have even different music. I want to make this game, but in Godot, my game engine of choice is Godot. Then game design document. Here with Milnote, I have an app or website where you can plan what your game or idea is briefly, and I think in a very cool way. So I think I will go make this concept and return when I finish. Now we've finished our game design document. It's super duper easy. It's the easiest thing, the minimalist, most minimal thing ever. I just put the concept where there are literally 2 lines of the game, a little screenshot of how it could look like, things to do, game name, player movement, player collision, menus, difficulties, scoring system, and audio. And there are also different themes, like the aquatic theme, the default one, or an apocalypse theme, or even a space theme. And that's it. So now we can go on to the other point, prototyping. Prototyping is making a low fidelity prototype, so a sketch or just an animation of how the game would work. So I think I'll do it right here, just like this. Okay, so okay, now that we have the prototype, okay, erase it. Version control. Okay, now add existing repository from your local drive, and I need to create a game first. Go do touch things. I love it. Create. Now we have this, just that Dodget thing. So let's see, local repository, apps, go projects, Dodget things, add repository, create a repository. Well, yeah. So now we have Dodget things. Maybe I'll commit something. Go to, let me make now if we go here, summary, publish, private, yeah, publish. Okay, and then that's it. Okay, got it. That's it. I'll see you another time. Goodbye. Okay guys, it's the end of the video, so tell me what you think about it in the comments. Was it fun, repetitive, or monotone? Any feedback is appreciated, good or bad. If you enjoyed this video, even just a fraction of how much I enjoyed making it, then I'm super happy, because I put a lot of time and effort into this video, and I loved every single step of it. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Demo, let's